Today, Christmas is about the love of. It's about the love of Jesus Christ, and He's very awesome.
He is very awesome.
He lived for 1,000 years. How many years did he live for? I don't.
A long, long time.
Yeah, Christmas should be about Jesus and not about anything else. Then there is Santa, but Jesus is also cool.
Yes, he is.
Yes, and Jesus is really old, but he looks young.
No.
I am from Italy. Hey, I'm Fox, and I'm from Ireland, and I love celebrating Christmas. I'm a Phoenix, but I sure love Christmas. And those are the adventures of starting today.